Hey guys, here's the red barn and we're going to put some toy animals in the barn. Here's a cow. And here's its calf. Now we're going to brush the cow. Now that we're done brushing the cow, let's add another animal. Here's a sheep. Here's a pig. Here's a goat. Let's open the doors so the animals can have some fresh air. Let's add one more cow to the farm. Here it is. Let's set up the loft. We have some feed for the animals. Now it's time to feed the animals. I'm going to add more animals to the farm, like a rooster, a ewe or a female sheep, a horse, a pony, a stallion or a male horse, a donkey, chicks or baby chickens. Here's the mama, the hen. Here's some corn. Here's another hen. Another rooster. Rabbits. Some apples for them. One more rooster, a dog, golden retriever, a cat, and a cute puppy. Now let's feed the rest of the animals. Okay, well, if you guys have enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.